Subversion digs under the foundation of authority, transforming stability into chaos. It cannot bring order, for all order comes by creative action, and all creative action is fueled by undoubted faith and hope for a better future. Only by inspired vision can order be created. Subversion strives to turn the creative process on its head with unfruitful questions that cannot be answered, to sow doubt, fear, and dread. Subversion is second-guessing yourself, even though you know that doing so will not help anything. It is the person who declares that all is lost. Subversion transforms a society of creation, life, and courage into a self-defeating system of destruction, death, and cowardice. Subversion leaves no stone unturned in its search for vulnerability to exploit, and never stops finding fault. Subversion endeavors to discover the fundamental flaw that will prove all being to be a worthless mistake once and for all.